How to change date of birth in Facebook. After limit, first open Facebook app now. Tap and profile icon on top right corner. After that, in the top near search bar, tap on gear icon. Over here, scroll down. And on the audience and visibility tab, on profile, details of date of birth, tap on 82 chains now on the top. Tap on edit in account center to change the date of birth, and here enter your correct date of birth. But in the case if you reach maximum limit, what you can do is head back to the menu page, scroll down and tap on help and support from. Here select option, report a problem. Now tap on include and report from here. Scroll down and click on option profile. Now over here describe the issue. You can explain in this way to hello Facebook. Support, kindly change my date of birth, as I mystically set up the incorrect. I have already reached the maximum limit, and after that include your correct date of birth and continue sync. Please change it as soon as possible. After you are done with your report, tap on icon on top right corner once your report is submitted, and within 24 hours Facebook is going to get back to you and your Facebook data part will be changed. So this is how you can change data port in Facebook after limit. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more tutorials. Thank you.